Hey DJs and welcome back. It's Jamie Hartley here again from Crossfader, and a big happy new year to everyone. It's 2018 and right now it's about that time where everyone is thinking, how can I improve myself? So I thought what better way to start the year than give you 5 of my tips to help you stand out as a DJ in 2018. Number 1, why not team up with another DJ? Find other DJs in your area or city or somewhere nearby. You could decide to start doing weekly Facebook Live video sets together, create a monthly mix series on SoundCloud, or you could just meet up and go back to back. You never know what might come of it. You'll also 2 times your network and your reach because DJ A can access DJ B's network and DJ B can access DJ A's. 2 people are more likely to gain twice as many followers than just 1. Number 2, learn new creative ways to mix the music that you're playing. Most controllers, CDJs and mixers are packed full of creative features nowadays, something we love to explore in our online courses, and we try to showcase them in the Sunday DJ skills that we upload to Facebook and YouTube. So if you need some inspiration, you can check out the links below. But try to make the most of your equipment in 2018. Use it to do something different with the music to help you stand out as a DJ. They are packed full of creative features, so start utilizing those features and start getting creative. Number 3, content is key. Whether we like it or not, social media plays a big part in whether you make it or break it as a DJ. In this day and age, we should be utilizing social media and utilizing the platforms that we have in front of us that we can reach hundreds, thousands, and even millions of people at the touch of a button. And the way to do that is to create content. Facebook loves video at the moment, so start creating short bite-sized video content. You could create a small vlog style video or a nice quick mix on your piece of DJ equipment. For inspiration, maybe check out someone like Layback Luke on YouTube. He uploads regularly, from vlogs to mixes and everything in between. Videos are a great way to showcase how good you are on your equipment, those new skills that you've learned throughout the year, and to really stand out from the crowd. I've seen DJs who have created videos that have gone viral and they've created a massive Facebook fan base overnight and gained bookings off the back of that all over the UK. Take that same video, upload it to YouTube, and upload a 60-second version to Instagram. That's 1 video and 3 platforms. Number 4, start making your own edits and mashups. What better way to stand out as a DJ than to have your own exclusive versions of tracks? It could be as simple as hitting record on your piece of DJ software and cutting, scratching and layering acapellas over instrumentals. You could record certain bite-sized versions of tracks, or even use something like Serato Flip to make shorter versions, tone play versions, and chop up tracks in totally unique ways. If you want to make this a bit more professional, maybe look at expanding into using something like Ableton. As a piece of production software, it's fantastic, but it's also great for editing audio and creating mashups. Rather than jumping at the deep end and try and produce your own music straight away, why not try to create your own bootlegs, remixes and mashups using the software? And number 5 is have fun. I know it sounds obvious, but I see too many DJs who take the whole thing too seriously. Remember, as DJs, we're here because we love music. We love to play with music and experiment with it. We love to share the music that we listen to. We love to share it with crowds. We're there to help them dance, to help them sing. We're there through people getting married and people celebrating birthdays. It's a joyous occasion. People are there to have fun, lose their inhibitions on a night out. We're even there through dance floor romances. We're there to make people happy and make people smile. So make sure that you're smiling and you're having fun. If you find that DJing is becoming a chore, it's becoming a job, you're starting to hate what you do, then change the way you look at it. Start getting creative with it again and try to have fun with music and with your equipment. That's my 5 tips to help you stand out as a DJ in 2018. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think, what you're going to work on this year to help you stand out as a DJ, and any tips you want to give to our community, things that have worked for you in the past that you think will be popular through 2018. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time.